For me, I wanted to learn with the Code Institute because I wanted to learn how to code, and the short time frame of the Code Institute course gave me the idea that I could go from zero to programmer in a really quick space of time. The intensity of the course, it lends itself to moving quickly and just going from nothing to being able to work as soon as possible instead of waiting around. I also saw that they were using the latest technologies instead of some of the older technologies that universities might use, and that appealed to me. I didn't want to go back to college for 3 or 4 years and have to learn over a long, extended period of time. I wanted to go quickly and be able to start building things as soon as possible. Before the bootcamp, I studied a business degree for 3 years in UCD. I came out of that and I really wasn't excited by any of the jobs that I could have gone for. And I knew I wanted to do something different, and what appealed to me about going into coding was that I could take an idea and go and build it myself straight away without having to rely on anybody else. So since completing the Coding Bootcamp, I've been working as a full stack developer full-time. I've really expanded on the base that I got in the Code Institute and learned more and more and more. I started to develop in more areas like building APIs, which is something I've done a lot now, and I've expanded into the areas like machine learning. I think something that the Code Institute gave me was the ability to take a new technology and give myself a head start in understanding how I go about learning that, and all the great resources out there like Stack Overflow, and using things like that to speed up my learning and get to a good level quickly. The advice I'd give to somebody who wants to change their career to coding is that you can do it. I think a lot of people have hesitations about going into coding, but for me it's a skill that whatever you put in, you're going to get back out. And if you're willing to put the time in behind the keyboard, you'll get to a high level very quickly.